Hello dear traders and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I want to teach you how to use my new expert advisor Zenith Zone, my new expert based on my new strategy that I developed recently. First we will talk about how to start the expert and running it on your chart. Then I talk about how to do backtest, and at last we will talk about the inputs. So if you're interested in my expert advisors, if you want to know how to program in MQL language, or if you want to challenge prop firms like FTMO or FundedNext or other prop firms, and if you want to develop a new strategy and lots of new information, please subscribe my channel. Okay, now I'm going to tell you how you start the EA. So when you put the EA in your expert advisor folder, so here open data folder, go to MQL5 expert and paste the execution file of the expert advisor in this folder. Then when you refresh on expert advisor, then you can see the expert. Open the GBP AUD H1 time frame in your MetaTrader. I'm mainly teaching the MetaTrader 5 version, but 4 is the exact same. Attach it to the chart. This is a multi-currency expert advisor and you just need to attach it to GBP AUD chart H1 time frame. So in the comment tab, remember to tick allow algo trading. Then in the inputs, here you can change the pairs and the symbols. Don't need to change them because I trained the strategy and the backtest and all the training and all the optimization are based on these pairs, so you can get the best performance out of these symbols. So this is very easy. If you click OK, so the chart, the expert attached to the chart, so you can see it here, and when you run it and play the algo trading, so the expert turns to blue and it's ready. And whenever the expert gets a signal, so it will open trades. No need to run it on multiple charts. MT5 and MT4 versions, both are the same. Now I'm going to teach you how to do an effective backtest in MetaTrader 5. As you know that this is a multi-currency expert advisor. You cannot backtest multi-currency with MetaTrader 4, but both versions are the same and the performance, there is no difference between them. So we're going to view and select a strategy tester, or just press Ctrl+R. Here in the strategy tester tab, you will select the Zenith Zone Expert. The symbol is GBP AUD and H1 because all the optimization, the strategy, all the concepts are based on GBP AUD tick data and H1 time frame. So I select the custom period and put it on from January 2024 till today, which is 31st of January 2024. The delay is 0. The modeling is 1 minute OLHC because I want to do a very fast backtest. If you want to do a very effective backtest, put it on every tick based on real tick, so it takes a lot of time to download the data from MetaTrader saver or from your broker saver. The first deposit, the initial balance is $1,000. The leverage is 100 and the base currency is USD. So I will start, and the inputs are the default. Don't change the inputs because they are all optimized. So in the inputs part, I will teach you how to use them. So in the setting and with the default input, so I press the start and see the graph. So the expert starts to opening new positions, and from the beginning of 2023 till now, you can see the performance of the experts with the first and initial balance, and it reaches $3,762, which is more than 300% performance of the expert. So this is the backtest, and with this you can understand that based on the currencies the EA tries to open trades, how is the performance. Now we are going to talk about the inputs, and I will tell you the inputs of the expert, how we can use them and what are they meaning. So I right click on the expert, the properties. So here we will I'm going to tell you what inputs means here. So we have the copyright, nothing. We have the symbols. All the symbols that the EA tries to open trade are these. Don't change them, but you can change them if you want. Add or reduce, just very easy, delete them. But if you want to add, for example, Euro USD, put comma between the pairs and right here Euro USD. So the EA will only open trades on GBP, AUD and Euro USD. Here we have the risk balance. If you want to have a dynamic lot calculations, just input 1, 2, 3% of the balance you want to engage in the trading. If you put it on 0, and the EA will open fixed lots, and you can add the value here, for example 0.1, 0.001, no 0.1. So from the minimum lot size till, for example, 10 lot size, you can add the lot size here. Trade on Friday, true or false, you can select it. If you want to, the EA don't open trades on Friday, so you put it on false. Open only one trade per symbol, false or true. If you put it on true, the EA will only open one trade in every symbol. If you put it on false, so the EA will open multiple trades, and whenever it gets this new signal in a symbol, so it will open a new trade. The minimum distance between the trades, so if the EA open multiple trades on the same symbol, so the minimum distance between the open prices, you can set it here based on points. And for the direction of trades, you can select both buy and sell, only buy or only sell. Additional protection, this is filtration, and this is a new feature in the expert that keeps your trades away from the big and intense fluctuations in the market. So you set it true, select the intensity and the time frame for it. I've did some optimizations, and this is the best result based on IC market. And if you're using other brokers, so you need to do a back test, or you do some optimization to set these two parameters. And we have magic number and order comment, so you can set any order comment that you want, and magic number. In case of using different EAs on one account, you can set a different magic number to separate trades, and if you want to know that which trades are taken by this EA. Trailing setting, if you want to use trail, you can select trail pips, for example 5, and if you put it on 0, so the trail would be false, you won't have the trailing option. And the trailing stop peep, you can select the distance between the open price and the current price, or the distance that you want to start the trailing. For example, put it 20 and the trailing peep 5 or 10. So both are based on pips. And the PropFirm option, which is very important if you want to use this EA on trading prop firms like FTMO or FundedNext. You can use these options. For example, this input not open trades after max drawdown. If the prop firm policy is that your drawdown must not reach 10%, so you add 9%. If the max drawdown reaches this value, so the EA won't open other trades. Close open trades after max drawdown. If you want to close the trades when the drawdown is exceeding or reaching the 10%, set it on true, so the EA will close the trades. And TP and SL random peep, whenever you are trying this EA on different accounts on the same prop firm, so you use this option to make a difference between SL and TP, so the prop firm won't understand that you are using the same trades or you are using the same expert. Closing on weekend at hour, for example, at time 20 or 8 p.m. I want to close my trades on Friday, so I use the hour from 0 to 24, and max daily loss in balanced currency. Sometimes the prop firm tells you that the max drawdown based on currency for every day is $200, $500, and $1,000. So you just add the value here. And news option, this is a filtering option for news, for you can enable here, and for how many hours before releasing the news you want to stop your trades, or the EA won't open new trades. And you can filter medium impact and low impact news too. For using the news filter option, go to tools options, and here on expert tab, allow DL imports and allow web requests, and add the address that I told you. You can use it